Our 6.5 item, 9:10 a.m., presentation of proclamation designating the week of April 3rd through the 9th, 2023 as National Public Health Week.
We have people coming up.
You can go down there. Do we have anyone from
Health
public?
people here that want to come up and be celebrated, so I don't just sit here reading this big, long proclamation all by myself?
Some coming up.
There we go. I have before me the world's longest proclamation, so please bear with me. There's a lot going on in public health, right? So whereas this is a proclamation designating the week of April 3rd through 9, 2023 as Public Health Week. Whereas the week of April 3rd through 9, 2023 is National Public Health Week, and whereas the theme for National Public Health Week in 2023 is centering and celebrating cultures in health, and whereas the goal in National Public Health Week in 2023 is to recognize the contributions of public health in improving the health of the people of the United States and achieving health equity, and whereas the Administration Division is improving the health of Lake County by enabling each health services program to function in their purpose of promoting and protecting the health of local residents. Administration ensures accuracy and efficacy with spending county, state, and federal monies and reconciling grant and program documentation in order to allow health services staff to meet community members where they are and provide them with the means to achieve or maintain a state of well-being. And whereas the Environmental Health Division is improving the health of the people of Lake County through education and encouraging compliance with public health laws. Environmental health keeps community members safe by ensuring safety standards are met in retail food establishments, recreational pools, tattoo facilities, etc. for consumer protection. Proper handling, storage, and disposal of hazardous materials, landfills and solid waste, land use through septic system design to prevent sewage and wastewater exposure, and construction of wells to prevent contamination. And whereas the First 5 Division builds early childhood systems and supports needed to ensure Lake County's youngest children are safe, healthy, and ready to succeed in school and life. First 5 Lake works collaboratively with local, state, and federal agencies to provide resources, advocacy, and support to many local families. Hundreds of local families, as I just learned, through initiatives such as Smart Start, Eligibility Wizard, the Perinatal Mental Health Toolkit, the Lake Family Magazine, and Kindergarten Entry Developmental Profile. Families are provided information to ensure their children's well-being. I should make you hold this. And to access, no, it's fine. And to access locally available resources and services. First 5 Lakes' vision is that one day the success of Lake County will be measured by the well-being of its youngest children. And whereas the Public Health Division is improving local health outcomes by providing information, resources, access, and services to Lake County community members. Public health programs educate and empower people to prevent disease in areas such as oral health, tobacco use, childhood lead exposure, and nutrition, and reduce our community's vulnerability to hazards and harmful impacts of natural disasters. Public health clinical programs focus on investigating communicable diseases, supporting mothers and babies, responding to emergencies and disasters, and providing leadership to assure that all members of our community are heard and able to meet their needs. And whereas the Veteran Service Office of Public Health is improving the health of local U.S. Armed Forces veterans and their families by actively pursuing their rights to receive benefits, Veteran Services works collaboratively with nationally chartered veterans organizations, the Department of Veterans Affairs, and others to assure local veterans and their dependents receive the entitlements they have earned for their military service. The Veterans Office has worked tirelessly to provide thousands of local families access to health benefits and has helped veterans across the world access millions of dollars in retroactive benefits. And whereas the County of Lake Health Services Department has commenced diversity, equity, and inclusivity initiatives to actively promote policies, systems, and services that enable good health and seek to remove obstacles and systemic and structural barriers such as poverty, racism, gender discrimination, and other forms of oppression that have resulted in health inequities. And whereas the 11 rural health departments of Northern California have collectively highlighted health disparities for the following groups: tribal populations, Latinx populations, populations living in poverty, aging, those who are geographically isolated, and those who are experiencing substance use or mental health issues. And whereas National Public Health Week also recognizes the partnership and service of local public and private agencies, foundations, community partners, academia, and health-related enterprises that are working in collaboration to promote healthy behaviors and bolster the Health Services Department's efforts in improving the health outcomes of Lake County residents. Page 3. We're almost there, people. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed that the Lake County Board of Supervisors does hereby designate April 3rd through 9, 2023 as Public Health Week and urges Lake County citizens, everybody here, to join in this important observance. Passed and adopted this 4th day of April 2023. Signed, Jessica Paiska, Chair, Board of Supervisors. Let's all get healthy, people.
Thank you. I apologize for the length of the proclamation. I did write it, so I did. But I just wanted to highlight every division that we have in Lake County Health Services. And so, sorry, I timed myself for my talk. It's 2 minutes. It's really short, I swear. I'm Layla Romero. I am Lake County's Health Equity Program Coordinator. And I want to thank you all for joining us in acknowledging and celebrating our department's hard work and commitment to our county's health. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all the agencies, organizations, and individuals who work with us as our partners and stakeholders. Public health is so much bigger than just our department. As you heard, we have a very big department, and each division works with collaboratively. Take the social determinants of health. They're the factors in our environment that affect health and quality of life, and the 5 domains are economic stability, education access and quality, healthcare access and quality, neighborhood and built environment, and social and community context. Looking at this bigger picture, it's almost hard to find someone who isn't contributing to Lake County's health. Folks in the schools, working on sidewalks and water, and organizing and attending public events all around the county are all part of it. So to everyone in Lake County working towards our community's health, even if they don't know it, thank you, and this week is for you too. As you heard in the proclamation, in public health work nationwide, health equity has become a priority. Health equity strives for every person to have the opportunities and resources they need to attain their highest level of health. This means acknowledging the health disparities in our community and the systems that create them, as well as listening to the affected populations as how we can support taking down barriers. So I invite everyone to join Health Services Department in re-examining ourselves and our systems and committing to achieving health equity. Thank you.
Thank you. Third time. No, we should make you hold all 3 pages. No, do it. Hold the third page out. Hold the third page out.
Gotcha.
So just to point out, all department heads, this does not fit in a frame.
That's a great photo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any public comment on this item? Okay, thank you so much.